Bitcoin ETF inflows highest in a month as Bitcoin hovers near $63,000. Circle becomes first licensed stablecoin issuer under MiCA. Bitfarms mined 21% more Bitcoin in June amid riot takeover attempts. Ethereum products see highest outflows since 2022 ahead of Ether ETFs. Silvergate Bank pays $63 million to settle charges with SEC, Fed, California regulator. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDAs are in a state of consolidation and the market continues to show resilience and varying trends across major tokens and altcoins. The BTC price reclaimed $63,000 after nearly 3 weeks of struggling to overcome the key resistance level of $62,000. While Bitcoin was trading at $62,623, down by 0.23% in the last 24 hours. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of barometer of top 15 tokens was trading at 0.11% down 80,624 points. Furthermore, Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin fund registered the highest inflows with 1,030 BTC worth $65 million. The Bitwise Bitcoin ETF had 650 BTC worth $41 million. The ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF had inflows of 205 BTC worth $13 million. July 1 marked the 5th consecutive day of net inflows for spot BTC ETFs after nearly 7 days of outflows in the last week of June. July has historically been a bullish month for Bitcoin, and with spot Ether ETF approvals likely just around the corner, the crypto market could see another bullish rally in the coming weeks. Talking about Ethereum, according to recent reports by CoinShares Digital, Ethereum experienced the largest outflows since August 2022, totaling $61 million, bringing the 2-week outflows total to $119 million, making it the worst performing asset year to date in terms of net flows. Furthermore, Circle, the issuer of the widely used USD coin, has made a significant breakthrough by becoming the first stablecoin company in the European Union to gain regulatory approval under the European Union's Market in Crypto Assets framework. This milestone marks USDC and EURC as fully compliant with the new European Union regulations effective immediately. In an additional development, Ethereum name service has experienced a significant price surge in the last 24 hours, reaching a price point not seen since January 2022. This surge is driven by increased excitement surrounding the upcoming ENS v2 upgrade, which aims to enhance the efficiency and scalability of the naming service. ENS has gained over 42% in the price over the past 7 days, rising from a low of $22 to a peak of about $33.1. Furthermore, Shiba Inu, the world's second largest meme coin, has experienced a significant increase in its burn rate in the last 24 hours, contributing to its price increase. Around 301.68 million SHIB tokens were removed from circulation, marking a 1,393% spike. In June, over 918 million SHIBs were burned across 237 transactions, marking a 148% spike from the previous month. Additionally, US stocks were higher Monday, with the Nasdaq Composite closing at a record as Wall Street looked to maintain the strong momentum seen in the first half of 2024. The S&P 500 added 0.27%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked higher 0.13%. Talking about the altcoins, Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.53%, trading at $3,446. BNB was up by 0.08% to trade at $578. Solana as well was up 0.83% and was trading at $148. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.6% to trade at $0.41. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $28.4, higher 5%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.2% to trade at $0.56. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1.02% at $0.12. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.19%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, up by 1%. Polkadot was up by 1.9% to trade at $6.4.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. On July 1, Jeremy Allaire, co-founder and CEO of Circle, announced that the firm became the first stablecoin issuer in the European Union to gain regulatory approval under the EU Sweeping Markets and Crypto Assets Regulatory Framework. Circle's USDC and EURC are regulatory compliant under the new rules effective immediately, quelling fears that investors would have to redeem their stablecoins or transfer their funds to other digital assets in order to stay compliant. LA then announced that Circle chose France as the company's European headquarters, citing France's forward-looking stance on digital asset regulation and Circle's working relationship with the French Prudential Supervision and Resolution Authority. In preparation of the European Union's regulatory shift, several exchanges announced changes to their stablecoin policies and product offerings. Bitcoin miner Bitfarms upped its month-on-month Bitcoin production by 21% in June, while fending off attempts of a company takeover by Riot Platforms, one of its biggest competitors. But Bitfarms mined 189 Bitcoin in the month and sold 134 of them for $8.8 million, the firm revealed in a July 1 statement. It now holds 905 Bitcoin worth $57 million in its treasury. However, its production fell 51% compared to June 2023 due to the latest halving event slicing the block subsidy by 50%. The Canadian-based miner increased its installed hash rate to 11.4 exahashes per second in June, 10.4 exahashes per second, of which is online and is still on track to reach its 21 exahashes per second target by 2024's end. The 10.4 exahashes per second marks a 96% year-on-year and 39% month-on-month increase. Professional investors withdrew over $120 million from Ether-tracked exchange-traded products in the past 2 weeks, crypto firm CoinShares said in a Monday report. Such projects recorded $60 million in net outflows each the past 2 weeks, the most since August 2022. Elsewhere, multi-asset and Bitcoin ETPs recorded inflows at $18 million and $10 million respectively, suggesting sentiment may be turning. Ether ETFs are close to becoming available for trading in the US after the SEC approved applicants' filings last month. The regulator must also approve their S1 filings before the product are cleared to trade. Firms such as Galaxy say Ether ETFs could see $5 billion of net inflows in the first 5 months, while Bitwise expects $15 billion in their first 18 months. The demand for the planned products is expected to come from independent investment advisors and broker or dealer platforms. Silvergate Capital Corp, a parent of the crypto-friendly bank whose 2023 collapse amplified the industry's banking crisis, has agreed to pay $63 million to settle US and California regulators' acquisitions of internal management failings and the disclosure of bad information to investors. But Silvergate, Lane and Frejo agreed to settlements where they neither admit to nor deny the SEC's allegations but will pay penalties, and the two individuals agreed to a 5-year ban on being officers or directors of another public company. Silvergate also settled with both the Fed and the FBI. Silvergate's penalties included $43 million from the Fed and $20 million from the California regulator, which had also cited deficiencies in how the bank kept track of internal transactions. The SEC imposed its own $50 million fine too, but it was not expected to add to the total. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, the world's second largest meme coin, has experienced a significant increase in its burn rate in the last 24 hours, contributing to its price increase. Around 301.68 million Shiba tokens were removed from circulation, marking 1,393% spike. Coin burning is a process where a cryptocurrency token is sent to an unusable wallet address to create scarcity and boost its market value. In June, over 918 million SHIBs were burned across 237 transactions, marking 148% spike from the previous month. The increase in burn rate coincides with 2x jump in new transactions on the Ethereum blockchain in the last 24 hours without transactions on the layer 2 network, resulting in the burning of SHIB tokens. Next on the list, we have ENS. Ethereum named service has experienced a significant price surge in the last 24 hours, reaching a price point not seen since January 2022. This surge is driven by increased excitement surrounding the upcoming ENS version 2 upgrade, which aims to enhance the efficiency and scalability on the naming service. ENS has gained over 42% in price over the past 7 days, rising from a low of $22 to a peak of about $33.1. Despite the strong performance, ENS is still trading at a $62% below its all-time high of over $83. ENS is $10 million shy of achieving a market cap of $1 billion, entering the billionaires club. Next on the list, we have Pepu. We have all heard about Pepe the Frog theme meme coin, but now inspired by that meme coin, we have a new meme coin, which is Pepu. Pepe Unchained, also known as Pepu, is a new frog theme meme coin that has raised over $1.5 million in the first 15 days of its pre-sale. The project aims to create a layer 2 network specifically for meme coins, allowing users to send and receive tokens in seconds rather than minutes. Next on the list, we have Ripple. Ripple has reportedly locked up 1.3 billion XRP in its spendable wallets after unlocking 1 billion tokens from escrow for July, sparking speculation of a settlement in the SEC case. The transactions occurred across multiple transactions within 2 hours, with the first batch involving 7 fund movements. Ripple transferred 1.1 billion XRP to 3 different wallets and locked up 800 million XRP in escrow wallet. The second batch involved anticipated escrow unlocks occurring over an hour after the first batch. Ripple unlocked 500 million XRP to an address and then another 500 million XRP into 2 unequal movements to another address. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. A lot of analysts on the platform X believe that Chainlink's token unlocking has significantly impacted the market, with millions of tokens entering into the circulation. Chainlink's strategy involves a scheduled release of tokens, with the recent Chainlink Tokens Unlock event marking a significant moment as it crossed 600 million tokens in circulation. However, these tokens unlocks are having zero to no impact on Link's price, as it has been trading in the red according to its 30-day average. But the investors and traders are still optimistic about Link's potential because they believe the prices could skyrocket because of major partnerships coming ahead.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.